Today let's make some fun scratch art, and mine is even glow in the dark. So I'm taking some acrylic paper, just something that's thicker is probably better. And then some cheap paint brushes are good enough. I'm using this paint, which is actually body art paint. Long story, I did product review. I thought that it was horrible for on your skin, like it didn't come off very well, but I didn't want it to go waste. So you could do this with crayons, you could do this with acrylic paint, you could do it with any sort of paint, colored pencils, ink, whatever you want. But I just loved the vibrant colors of this. So just do a random pattern. Honestly, if you spend too much time doing really specific things, then it's going to be wasted because most of this is going to be covered up anyway. But it's kind of fun to do random, a little therapeutic. Once completely dry, then you'll take some clear packing tape and put it on, make sure it's all covered, and then I like to take just something like a boning knife from my bookmaking kit or these scissors that I had handy and rub it all down so it's nice and smooth. And then we are going to cover up this fun, crazy setup that we've got here. So you're just going to take some black acrylic paint. Now I'm not going to give you a spoiler, but this could have been improved on. You'll want to check my video down below. I'll show you a little bit later why I don't recommend just doing exactly like this. I was following just some other random video that I saw that reminded me like, hey, that's a fun craft that I did in the 7th grade. Let's do that again. Or, you know, actually it's the 6th grade. I actually remember the exact classroom that it happened in. Sadly, I don't have that piece of art, so I had to recreate something of myself. Anyway, let me know in the comments below. Have you ever done this? I think it's a real fun one. So anyway, after the first layer, definitely not thick enough, so let it dry completely or you'll wipe it off again. And I put it in a little Ziploc baggie there. That helps it to stay nice and moist while you're waiting between dries. Once totally dry, then go ahead and scratch it out. I'm just using the back end of a paintbrush. I don't know if you can really tell here, but it's pretty ragged edges, and also it's kind of tears it up at some points. You have to gently just place it back down. So what I would recommend is check out my other video down below. I did video a while back on how to make like DIY scratch tickets, and I don't know why I didn't think about it, but that technique probably would have been so much better. Just something that you add into the paint, and it just would have looked better, but it was still fun. A little frustrating, but still fun. I mean, this is basic, and the cool thing is this paint is actually glow in the dark. I tried to get a picture, but just the cameras that I have don't pick it up very well. They're not good, or I'm not a good photographer because I don't know how to adjust. So anyway, here is my finished product. Let me know if you create a beauty of your own. Let me know if you can hear my dog whining for love and attention and to go to bed. I hope you guys have a great day. I am finishing this at 3:30 in the morning because I'm getting behind on videos, but I'm really trying to come out with a video a week on this channel, as well as a video a week on my other 2 channels. So check them out as well. Show me some love. I appreciate your love. I'm excited. We're at 1,500 subscribers. Just got 100 on my vlog channel. And have a wonderful day.